kan bua nan oknam hayanga sipsinang kan bua mek yatak yonga lawa yaho o yata Yesu ba yeling kan bua wei chingna hango yam mong si yengai ai ha yamai bu ching ye amyang ba ma mong yamai hapoi ating ba fai mong mai nang kan bua asai vai sunang asai da myang nang asai vai mong hambu ang nang asai vai nan ok nang kan bu o bio lena yata
Maybe someday add a branch to our tree. I know it won't always come easily, but I would choose to love you endlessly. I never knew how much I never knew. Seeing the world once you changed the view. Gave you my heart, it's yours till the end. This love is hard to comprehend. I see tiny stockings on Christmas Eve.
The first time I realized that she was the one for me, I don't have a particular date or anything, but then the more we spoke to each other, and then the more I learned about her, and also when I when I realized that how much she loved me, and then the way she respected me, the way she put me before anyone else, and that was the moment. Like those were the small moments I realized that she was the one I wanted to marry.
I still remember the first day we met. We met as colleagues. We barely knew each other. And then time went by. We worked together. And it was not a fairy tale love story. It was not love at first sight. But we gradually came to know each other. Thick and thin, we saw each other. And here we are. After so many years, we are going to start a new journey as one, and I'm so excited about it.
And another thing is that a few times people they ask me how we met, and then I'm sure there are so many of you who would like to know. So many people want to know how we met. It wasn't a rainbow, or it wasn't a fireworks, but then when I was in Tobu, when I was posted in Tobu for my work, and she also came. She just got transferred to my posting place, and then slowly we had discussions. We got to know about our families. I got to know about her life. She got to know about mine.
And there are many aspects of me that you will discover, and I know it's the same regarding you as well. And I pray that just as you have accepted all my flaws, I pray that as you uncover my flaws and my goodness, I hope that you will love me more. I know fully that you will love me as you love our Lord, and you will support me as you have been supporting me till now.
And interestingly, it was the food that brought us a common taste. So we discussed about food, we discussed what she likes, we discussed what I like, and the interesting and then very surprising thing I would say is that she could create, she could cook anything out of nothing. So there was some of the few things that made us talk about food more, and slowly from food it came to friendship, And then from friendship, we talk about our career goals, we talked about our families, our background, and then slowly we talked about, in-depth conversation about our principles. We talked about our belief. We talked about our philosophy of our lives, and then slowly, there was an attraction. There was the spark was, it grew bigger and bigger, and then that's how we fell in love with each other. And then we didn't realize that until one of us got transferred. One of us had to go, to different other place. Then we started missing each other. We started to miss each other's presence. I started to miss her presence in my day-to-day life. And then that's how we started to contact more and more. And then that's how we fell in love. She is obviously the apple of my eye, and I love her, and I hope that God will continue to bless us, bless our family.
This very day, the day which we're praying about, as we take our vows before God and before our family and before the congregation, I promise to be with you through all happiness, sickness, sorrows, through all thick and thin, till death do us part. I'll always love you, and I know that you will love me no matter my shortcomings and no matter my flaws. I know that you will love me unconditionally, and I promise that I will love you the same way like you have loved me. Thank you for accepting me like as who I am.
Drink of the wine, we'll taste of the fruit. The moment we say I do, we're longing to say I do. This is divine romance.
Wow, you're beautiful, yeah? Wow.
Oh yeah, love you. Love you.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. You look great.
Thank you. You were worried about the dress, right?
Yes.
But it's exactly how I wanted.
And you were worried about your tuxedo?
Yes.
You look great as always.
Thank you. Oh. My dear, there will be challenges in our life, but I promise to support you. I promise to love you.
And I promise to do the same till death do us part.
Mampai seperti buku manuk katalah sama bayar ini dan nyuma yang pacai Pangjong anio ada nyuma Yingngam senyipu okla ini cuma benok salah pun yang akan congratulations dengan teman Yapang ya.
First, I would like to say something to my sister, to my dearest, most beautiful, most gracious, most courageous sister. Since the day you were born on June 29, 1991, you have been a blessing to our family and have brought laurels and honors into our family. I know you don't like compliments and gratitude, but I want to thank you. We want to thank you for everything that you have done for our family. More than a sister, you have been a best friend. You've been a motherly figure for us. So thank you for being our sister And if there is a next life, us siblings, we want you to be our eldest sister again. And I have something to say to the groom also. My sister is so selfless that the only thing she ever demanded from us is this marriage. She in her life, she has only demanded for this marriage to happen. So please protect, cherish, and value this marriage. And to the groom's family, love, respect, and care for her, because she would even give her life for your family. And from the bride's family, we wish the two of you a happy married life.
I am your bride, you are my groom. You will have me, and I'll have you. We'll drink of the wine, we'll taste of the fruit.